Okay, you're being asked to graph a parametric, and parametric equations, and what I'm going to recommend is you try to get rid of the unfamiliar nature of it, which is the parameter t. And the way I'm going to do that is realize that one of the equations already solved for t. I know what x is in terms of t. So what I'm going to do is just plug it into the second equation and see what happens. If it becomes recognizable, that's great. If not, I'll have to go back and rethink the problem. So what do you get? Y equals, whoops, let's go back to black. So y equals 3. And what's the t? The t is actually just x, so it's going to be x cubed. This now becomes recognizable. It's a cubic polynomial. These are things that you've graphed in Math 119. How'd you do that? Basically looking for x and y intercepts and simple sign analysis and connecting the dots together. What do I know about this thing? It has an x and a y intercept at the origin. That's easy. Now past the origin, I know it's positive. So I'm going to say it's maybe something like this over here. And below the origin, I know it's negative. Say something like this over here. Now granted, this is a crude picture. If you look at the picture the machine drew, the machine picture is much better. We're not looking for that level of accuracy at this point. We're just looking for something that remotely looks like what they're talking about, which is that cubic problem over there. All right, let's go to the next question. That's A. A is done. I'm going to go to B, and B we've actually already done. They want to eliminate the parameter, and we just did that. Same thing up here. So that's done. What's the next thing? C, what's the domain and range of it? Well, looking at the picture, that's fairly simple. The domain of this thing is fairly simple to write down. I'll write it over here for you. Again, just looking at the picture, looks like all real numbers. Again, it's left and right, it's going everywhere. And the range of it, the up-down motion of it, also appears to be this, all right? So again, if you look at the answers over here, all real numbers for both. Thank you.